LeanBiome. Today we're going to talk about this supplement that is making everybody crazy because it has been changing the lives of thousands of people. It may change your life too. You just have to stay with me until the end to understand everything about it, and so you can really decide if this supplement is for you or not, okay? I also have an important alert to share about the LeanBiome that you must know before actually purchase it, so stay with me until the end. However, guys, it was advanced and already left the link for the official website below in the description box of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description, click on the link below, then you will go directly to their official website. But I recommend you to stay with me because the alerts will be available just here on this video. Well, folks, the LeanBiome is a supplement that was designed to help you with your weight management. That's why it has this name, right? But it's different from anything you have ever seen in your whole life. You know that there are lots of different factors that can affect your weight management. And one of them is like a factor that many people don't know it can really affect your weight gaining, which is the health of your gut. So not having a healthier gut can affect it, can like lower your metabolism, can make your body storage fat. I'm mentioning the bloating and pains you may have been suffering, all right? And the LeanBiome is here to help you guys because besides of its natural ingredients, it has also a blend of microbiomes that will restore your gut, giving you a healthier gut. But not just that, like I said, there are plenty of natural ingredients that together they will speed up our body's metabolism, boost levels of energy and disposition, reduce stress and anxiety. So tons of benefits in just one formula. Like I said, guys, there are natural ingredients. There's no chemicals, so you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions when taking the LeanBiome. There's none, okay? You can feel very safe when taking it. Of course, to see all of these results, you have to be committed to it and take it every single day. Don't expect it to see these results not being serious about this treatment. It is a treatment, so it has to be taken seriously. Take it every single day. The minimum treatment with that is of 3 months. But I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months so you can see the lasting and effective results we're looking for. There's also a money-back guarantee that protects you. You can check on the official website as well. My only alert, guys, is where you're going to buy the LeanBiome because this supplement is only available on the official website. There's no way you can purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with that. That's why I left the link just below in the description box of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original LeanBiome from. Nowhere else, so keep that information in mind. Also on the official website is the place you can check out the complete information about it, see people's testimonials, complete list of ingredients, and buy the original product. So I really recommend you to go and check it out. I'm pretty sure you're going to fall in love with this supplement. Thank you so much and see you guys around.